What's up, GI baby? So today we are getting into this high curly puff. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, stay tuned and keep watching. So this was really easy. What I started with, this is my second day that I had my FLEXI rod set in, and if you guys want to watch that video is up. So I basically started by taking out my edges that I wanted for my high bun, because you guys know your edges gotta be on fleek. I'm not knocking anybody who doesn't like edges with their style, but me in particular, I love baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call them. I love adding an extra little pizzazz to my buns, ponytails, whatever. So that's what we're starting with, and I'm going to go ahead and curl those with my small straightener just so they can have like the extra curl when it's time to swoop them out. So I'm taking a really large hair tie and I'm cutting it so that I will be able to use this. This is what you're going to need to achieve the high bun look without having to actually put your hair in a ponytail. And you're also going to need bobby pins, and I'm using the extreme gel in the lock edge control for this style. All of these items will be linked down below, so make sure you guys check the description box. But I'm just going ahead and I put the extreme gel in the lock gel both on my hands, and then I started spreading it on my hair, and then I'm just going in with my edge toothbrush and just smoothing everything out. You want to go ahead and do this before you take your tie and start making your puff, because I went ahead and added my gel first just so I can have a smooth, sleek base. Because after you do this and you put the tie on there, as I'm doing right now, your style is pretty much finished after you do your baby hairs and all that. So basically all I do is wrap it around my head like you see me doing, and I tie it. But you guys are going to see me hold it with one finger. So I hold it with one finger, and as I'm holding it with one finger, I'm taking my bobby pins and I'm pinning it up. I'm pinning the sides and the back up just so I can have it in a place where it doesn't move. Because if my bobby pins weren't there as an anchor and I wanted to like pull the elastic band a little bit more, it would kind of go a little bit more higher than what I wanted it to. So the bobby pins, I'm putting it all around. There's not specific sections where you have to put it, just put it where you think it is more secure for you. But the back, the front, and the sides is what I do, but I do the back and the sides first. And as I'm doing the sides, I'm kind of like pushing everything up. So once everything is secure, I'm able to go ahead and tie everything together and just start getting the rest of my style together. So at this point, your puff is done. Only thing you have to do is bobby pin those little stray pieces that you have from the elastic band. But your puff is pretty much done. So now all we have to do is do our baby hairs, and then you can go back in with your edge control or your gel and then just clean up the area, make it look a little bit more sleek around the edges and the back of your hair. Now is the time to start doing that stuff. So just to seal my edges, I like to go over with some Got to Be Glued gel, or you can use a Gorilla Snot gel or any holding agent spray. I would suggest putting that over your edges because I don't trust edge controls to hold my hair in general. Like, I'm black, my hair curls, I need something that's going to hold. So I put like another holding agent on there, and then I would blow dry my hair. And this works every time, and my edges stay in place, and there's no white, no flaking, no anything. So that's a trick that I would suggest that you do so that you can keep everything into place. But now our bun is pretty much done. The edges are laid, everything is done, and I just knew that this was gonna be so cute. Like when I did the FLEXI rod set, I was like, I knew that this right here was gonna be so cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a 360 of how this looks. It's pretty much really cute. Yeah, so that's how we achieved this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Now I'm just doing my extra little puffiness, just making my bun a little cute, staring at myself, taking pictures. Y'all know the deal. Okay guys, so this is how the whole look came out with this ponytail. I really love the way this came out. It was just so freaking cute. I knew when I did the FLEXI rod set on my hair that I immediately wanted to put it in the updo, and I knew that the updo was gonna look so cute with it. Like, y'all, this is just so cute. Like, I really love this video. And if you guys haven't seen the video with me doing the FLEXI rod set on my hair, that video is up, so make sure you guys go check that video out. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed. GI babies, we out.